example for a regular expression and see how to construct a FSM for a regular expression. The expression is A plus B. So this is nothing but R1 plus R2, or you can say R1 union R2. So what is the regular expression 1? It is represented by alphabet A, regular expression represented by alphabet B. So we are going to concatenate these two regular expression. So which case you are going to use? You are going to use case number 1, where we are getting a regular expression after combining R1 with the R2. So first we draw the machine to accept the regular expression 1. So what is the regular expression 1 represent here? It represent A. So this is my FSM. Okay, this is the start state of the FSM. This is the final state of the FSM, and what it accepting? It accepting a input symbol A. Next, we draw the FSM to accept the B. So this is my FSM which accept the B. So this is a start state of that. This is the final state. So this part is over. Okay. So I had drawn the machine to accept the R1 and R2. So this and this part is over. Next, I am going to introduce a new start state and new final state, and the new start is connected with the start state of both the FSMs of a regular expression, and final states are connected to the new final state. So here I will introduce a new start state, next a new final state, next the start state of R1 I am going to connect to a new start state by a epsilon transition, R1 and R2. Next, the final state of R1 I am going to connect with the new final state with the epsilon transition. After that, I am going to name these states 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can give alphabets also as a state name. So this is my FSM to accept the regular expression A plus B. Next, assume that the regular expression is A plus B star. A plus B star. So star indicate what? It is a clean closure which tells what? Whatever is preceded by this star occur 0 or any number of time. So at that time, which case I should consider here? I should consider the case number 3. So here I am going to connect the final state of machine with the start state. Then I am going to introduce new start state and new final states, and these are connected to the particular start state and final state of a machine with the epsilon transition. And one extra transition I am going to show from start state to final state. Okay, let's see how to apply that case 3 to construct the FSM which accept A plus B star. So I already know this FSM is for what? A plus B. Okay, next I should consider a star clean closure and make modification in this regular expression A plus B. Okay, so which is a start state? So this is my machine A plus B. Okay, so according to this I am going to connect final state of this with the start state with the epsilon transition. So which is the final state in this case? This is the final state. I am going to connect this with the start state with the epsilon transition. After that, I am going to introduce a new start state. Okay, according to the case number 3. Then I am going to introduce a new final state. Say it as a QF. So at that time, this become a intermediate state now. Okay. After that, I will give the epsilon transition. I will show the epsilon transition. Then I will name this as a Q0. So Q0 is a start state and QF is a final state. So this part and this part is over. Next, I should show one more transition from Q0 to QF. That is the epsilon transition. So this is Q0. This is QF. So I will show the epsilon transition. So why I should show this? Because star indicate what? This may occur 0 or any number of times. So any number of time के लिए I had drawn the DFSM. What about 0? So 0 transition, if this is not occurred, then directly it will move from start state to final state using this epsilon transition. So it accepts epsilon, it accepts any number of A's, any number of B's and the combination of A, B. So check out whether this FSM will accept all these or no. So when A come, it will move from Q0 to 1 state, from 1 to 2 state, it will accept A, it will move to the 6th state. So after that, using this epsilon, it will reach the final state. When A, B, A come, then it will move from Q0 to 1. So first input symbol is A, it will accept that by using this path. After that, using this epsilon symbol, it will move back. Then it will, to accept the next input symbol, it will choose this path. So it will accept B. After that, again it will move back and it will accept A by choosing this path. So once this is over, using epsilon transition, it will move to the final state. So all these are the valid strings for a given regular expression, and this is a related machine for that. Okay. So first case is over, third case is over. Check out the second case. Okay. So second case is a concatenation of two regular expression. So this is a union, that is a concatenation of two regular expression. So here we will take another expression, that is A plus B star, then A, B. Okay. So A plus B star, I know this is a final state machine. Next, so this is my R1, this is my R2, and what I had used here, dot. Okay. So what is the regular expression here? It starts with 0 or any number of A's and B's, then followed by AB, or you can say the machine end with the AB. Okay. So this is my R1, this is my R2. So which case I am going to apply now? So I am going to apply R1 dot R2. So this one I am going to apply. Okay. So I already know the FSM to accept A plus B star. So this is my FSM. Next, I should draw the machine to accept what? AB. Okay. So how that machine look? So first, when 1A come, it will change its state to next, and B come, it will change its state to next state. Okay. Next, so this is my R1, this is my R2. So both are connected by using what? The epsilon transition. So how I am going to connect the final state of first machine? I am going to connect to the start state of the next machine. So what is the final state of the first machine? This is the final state. So now this become what? The intermediate state. So I am going to connect this to a start state of R1 with the epsilon transition. So next, the final state of the next R2 will be the final state. So this is my final state. So I am going to name this 7, 8, 9. So this is a final state machine to accept what? A plus B star dot AB. I hope you understood this. Thank you.